With the Enchanted Quilt, and welcome to our inventory unboxing for this week. We only have a couple boxes to open up for you this week. It was kind of slow, which was kind of good. The last 2 weeks we've gotten a lot of stuff in. Okay, we've got some more of the 2.5 by 12.5 inch rulers from Creative Grid. We've got Add a Quarter Plus rulers, the 6-inch. We were out of the Emerald Forest green 2.5 inch strip packs, and I have a feeling, I may be wrong about this, but we may not be able to get these anymore. What they're doing now when they put out packs of, let's say, green, they'll all be different prints, but they're all of the same tone. So in other words, let's just say this tone of green, they may have a different print, but they're all the same tone. They're not a variety. So I'm not real happy about them doing that, and so I may call here and see if they're going to continue making these strip packs. These are great for Christmas quilts. All right, we got some more of the inspirational mug mats. This one is just the fabric, and then you add your, it has 7 in here, and you make the mug mats with them. They're 8 by 10. You add your own fabric and batting with that one. That is not the Quilt As You Go ones. We got in the extra fine air erasable pens from Clover. Let's see, we got another Elizabeth Hartman, the Arctic Feathers. And I quilted one for a lady that used that, and she used the uncorked that I've been showing you, and it turned out beautiful. Got some t-shirt stabilizer. One thing I am going to recommend, if you ever use anything, make sure you understand how you're supposed to use this. I had a customer come in that had bought this. She was very angry because she said it was terrible and it didn't work. So I proceeded to look at it, and I pulled out the instructions, and I asked her, how hot did you have your iron? Oh, I had it as hot as I could get it. Well, the instructions specifically state to make it put it as low as you can possibly get it, because what she was doing was she was actually melting the fusible, and then it wouldn't stick. So anytime you use any of this stuff, make sure you read the directions, because it's not always the same for everything. Okay, we got some more of the half square triangle single papers. These are wonderful. This is the 3-inch. I think we have 7 different sizes of those. Those make the 3-inch finished. And we got some more of the Learn to Quilt with panels. So if you have a lot of panels and you don't know what to do with them, that might be an option for you to give you some ideas. Remember, in 2 weeks, we'll have Strip Club. It's March the 9th at the Sacred Heart Church. Cost us $5. It starts at 9 o'clock, lasts about an hour. We'd love to have you. If you haven't signed up and you want to, I would suggest you get signed up pretty quick. Okay, we've got some Stripology squared rulers. These are wonderful rulers for cutting strips and squaring up your items. Okay, this is the last box. Okay, we've got some wide backings. This is it's called Primitive Muslin, and it's a real pretty deep garnet. And we've got the eggplant, the purple grunge. We've been selling a lot of this for backing. It's very pretty. And replenishing our vanilla Moda Marble. And that is all we have for this week. Stay dry, and we'll see it. Oh, I'm sorry. Miss Quilty needs to draw a winner. I forgot all about it. go. Oh wait, there's two there. We'll do it again. Two stuck together. Okay, Jean Galloway, you are our winner of our $10 gift certificate. I will pop that in the mail to you on Monday. So we'll see you next time.